Welcome, I am myself yashwant. I am explain active membrane transport. It occurs when molecules such as glucose or amino acids move from high concentration to low concentration, facilitated by carrier protein or pores in the membrane. Active transport is designed as a process that involves the movement of molecules from a region of lower concentration to a region of high concentration against a gradient or an abstance with the use of external energy. Active transport of the cell membrane. It occurs when molecules such as glucose or amino acids move from high concentration to low concentration, facilitated by carrier proteins and pores in membrane. The next one is the function of the active transport. The main function of active transport is to pump molecule and ions across membrane against their concentration gradients. Active transport is the energy and requirement process that can transport substance into, out of, and between cells. Example of active transportation: bicycle, electric vehicle. Principle of the active transport. Principle of active transport is moving against a gradient. To move substance against a concentration or electrochemical gradient, a cell must use energy. Active transport mechanism do just this. Expending energy obtained into the form of ATP to maintain the right concentration of ions and molecule in living cells. How important is active transport? Active transport is important because it allows substance to move against the concentration gradient. It regulated the energy and exit of the ions and molecules in a cell. Principle of active transport. Primary active transport moves ions across in membrane and create a difference in charge across the membrane. The next one is characteristics of active transport. The moment of substance against a concentration gradient from area of low concentration to an area of high concentration. Energy, commonly in the form of ATP, is used to drive the transport of molecules against a concentration gradient. Factor affecting active transport: temperature, pH level, concentration gradient, and the availability of ATP.